Welcome back, guys. So, the last land biome that we are going to learn about today is the tundra biome, and it's a very, very cold place. You will find it in the north and in the south pole. So, the tundra biome's rainfall is actually it's like a frozen desert. So, if you remember in the desert biome, it was really rare, or it was very little for it to have rain, so that it goes the same with the tundra biome because we consider it a frozen desert. The temperature, you just can't imagine how cold it is at winter and very long. So it's long and icy, cold in the winter, and in the summer it's also cold, but it's a little bit warmer, so we call it cool. So the summer in the tundra biome is short and cool. The plants in the tundra biome, there are no trees in the tundra biome, but there are short plants in the tundra biome with very short roots, and they are very shallow and they are near the surface, because it actually takes the water from the melting snow in the summer. Examples of the plants of the tundra biome are the mosses and the wildflowers, and of course the grass. Any short plant, you will find them in the tundra biome. As for the animals of the tundra biome, it actually very much resembles those of the taiga biome, because it's like an extension for the taiga biome, but it's more cold. So you will find the animals of the tundra biome, such as the caribou or the musk oxen. They look very much like those found in the taiga biome. Of course, they will have thick fur and thick layer of fat to help them survive the cold weather, and it will keep them warm. Many animals, they hibernate during the winter. The meaning of hibernate, they go for long sleeps, and by long sleeps I mean for months during winter. And the birds, because they have the ability to move easier, they start to migrate or travel to the southern parts to find warmer temperatures. Another example of animals found in the tundra biome is the famous, of course, polar bear. And the polar bear actually lives in the northern pole, not the southern one. So, from the adaptation of the polar bear is that it has excellent sense of smell, so that it can easily find prey to feed on. It also has thick and rough paws, and they are very good swimmers and runners, and they don't want to slip over the snow, so that's why they have thick and rough paws that stick to the snow, and it makes it easily for them to move. They have strong legs. As I said, they are very good swimmers, so their legs has to be very strong in order to help them swim efficiently. And last but not least, they have thick transparent fur. It looks white because they live in a place with lots of snow, so their fur reflect the color of snow, but it's actually very transparent. It's transparent, and it's very thick to help them overcome the coldness of the weather. As I told you guys, the polar bears live in the northern tundra, while the penguins live in the southern tundra. As for the southern tundra, where the penguins live, they have to have specific adaptations to help them live in such cold weather. The penguins, they have features that help them to swim and other features that keep them warm. Let's start with the ones that helps them to swim. Of course, they have this streamlined shape. Let me just show you. Their body is designed to help them um, swim easily. So they have this streamlined body that help them uh, uh, um, swim easily. And of course, the shape of their flippers. And in this case, they are not flippers. They are not wings. Although the penguin is a bird, but they use their wings as flippers. They help them to swim. It also the shape of their feet. It looks like a duck feet more, so it's very wide and webbed to help them swim easily. The shape of their tail is also helps them easily move in the water, and they have very strong chest muscles because they use them in swimming. As for the features that help them keep warm, they have lots of body fat, and we call their body fat blubber. And this body fat is very important for them to seal them from any cold weather, because without this body fat, they will just freeze. Their feathers are also very close together and thick to keep them warm, and the dark feathers on their back, it helps them absorb as much heat from the sunlight as possible to keep them warm. So this is it, guys. We're done with revising the all the land biomes. So tomorrow, inshallah, we're going to learn about the water biomes. They're very easy part, and we're going to start discussing the habitat and the food chains and webs. So see you tomorrow, inshallah. I miss you all, guys. I hope you all are okay. See you soon, inshallah, and bye bye.